Hi, this is atSea. My name is Robert Russo. GitHub is NativeScript Noob. edX is Rob Rue. I'm located in Reserve, Louisiana, United States. It is November 13th, and atSea is a directory available online right now with the hopes later of being able to be available on an offline application. It's written, compiled in NativeScript, JavaScript, HTML. It serves as a static web page where everything happens on the front end. This was very intentional because I want to integrate it, the .json file I use for the database. I want to integrate it into this application that I intend to write in NativeScript, which, as I understand now, uses JavaScript framework. So I'll go ahead and get right into the video and show you how it works. Okay, this is atSea. It is a directory of seafarers centers around the world. It is designed around a OpenStreetMap window, which has been wrapped with Leaflet. Leaflet allows us to interact with it through JavaScript. So I was able to write the code in order to manipulate the map, set the points on it, as well as get the information below, all in JavaScript. So we're looking at here, these are all locations. The blue locations are those not associated with Port Ministry International, but there are likewise partners in helping seafarers. The yellow cards or pins are actually Port Ministry International members locations. So if we zoomed in here to New Orleans, you'd see a feature I have programmed in, and this is probably the first one most people would notice, and that is that these contact cards populate based on what's available in the window. So if we continue to zoom in, let's zoom into just New Orleans area. Here we have the Gonzales Seafarer Center, the Global Maritime River Parishes, this is where I am, Stella Maris, and Global Maritime Ministries in New Orleans. And since we can only see those four are visible. We have phone number. You could click this to call it if you're on a mobile device. You could click this to begin a WhatsApp conversation, send an email, or visit the website. These items populate only if they're found in the .json file that contains the name, the city, state, etc. In addition to that, if you had a specific place you didn't know how to find on the map, let's say, for example, you were going to Freeport, Texas. We could type in Freeport, and here we go. We've got Freeport, Texas here. Here's their information. So it's not necessary to navigate to the place on the map itself. Of course, you can if you want to, and to be honest, it's a little easier for people who may know where they're sailing to but don't know all the names of everything. Let's say, for example, you were going to Tacoma, Washington. You could zoom in here, and as you get closer, you would notice there's really two locations in Tacoma, or in Tacoma and Seattle area. It looks like there is a Port of Seattle Seafarer Center located in Seattle, and just below in Tacoma, there's the Tacoma Seafarer Center.